Here at NTI, the Electrical Training Alliance is dedicated to education and training. But how do you know if that training is working? You need a learning management system, and that's where the craft certification program comes into play.
Well, craft certification is a way for an apprenticeship program to evaluate their graduating apprentices or journey level workers when it's necessary, or organized workers to see what skills they actually have.
In order to help local JATCs evaluate an apprentice's skill sets, the Electrical Training Alliance has developed the Craft Certification Booth.
So the craft certification booth was put together based on a job analysis performed all across the union industry, and contains 5 or 6 different tasks which are essential for every electrical worker to be able to use.
Train the best, use the best is a slogan that is preached and is in practice with respect to craft certification. Leveraging industry partners for their expertise while at the same time helping increase brand awareness among students and instructors was a major contributing factor for Eaton to stand behind the development and financing of the craft certification booths.
We've worked with the Electrical Training Alliance for many years with regard to helping to educate apprentices, bring our young students into the industry to a level of awareness and understanding of electrical safety and electrical products and how they're installed. Craft certification booths are important to challenge ourselves, not only our students but also our own curriculums and how we are to make sure that we're effective in delivering the right messages.
The booth is made to replicate real products apprentices will see in the field, such as a primary and secondary panel board, a 30 kV transformer, and a combination motor starter.
They have to install all these devices with the wiring, with the conduit, and when they're completed with the project, it has to meet code, it has to be ready for inspection.
To make the booth more versatile for multiple applications and testing, but keep it cost effective, a magnetic label was developed to help demonstrate different size transformers.
Because this is a fixed size transformer, what we've done is we provided some magnetic labels that the evaluator can put on that transformer and change the size. So each evaluation isn't going to be exactly the same. So one individual may have a 30 kVA transformer, the next individual may have a 15 kVA transformer.
With such a great way to evaluate an apprentice's performance, local JATCs across the country are showing great interest.
The Assistant Executive Director of the Electrical Training Alliance that heads this program up for us, he can't hardly keep up with the demand sometimes with programs wanting more information, how they can build a booth, how they can use evaluation exams, how they can use to judge their apprenticeship training.
And with these partnerships with manufacturers like Eaton, growing the craft certification program is more than possible.
And we want to make sure that we build the relationships locally to make sure that when they need a solution, they need one of these booths put together, we're going to be there to help them assemble that. We have the bill of material. We know exactly the parts and pieces. We've worked very closely with the Training Alliance.
For more information about the craft certification program, please visit electricaltrainingalliance.org. Reporting from Ann Arbor, Michigan for IBEW Hour Power, I'm Matthew Walton.
This edition of News Briefs is brought to you by the NECA IBEW team, powering America.